So the travel and tourism business, there's a huge gap of which nobody is addressing. And this gap is particularly curated travel for senior citizens. And I'll tell you how this can be a brilliant business. So basically, hota kya hai, when a senior citizen wants to travel, let's say 65-year-old and above, generally when they go for trips with their family, 90% of the activities वो participate कर ही नहीं पाते. There could be adventure sports, there could be nightclubs, there could be so on and so forth, जो they don't want to go for or they can't participate. Number 2, ठीक है, वो family trip में जा रही है, but these senior citizens, they don't meet like-minded people and they don't make new friends. Number 3, most families and most children are not able to take their senior citizen parents for trips because उनके पास time ही नहीं रहता. So now what is there a travel company that only specializes in tours for senior citizens? इसमें होगा क्या? There are many basic things which are required. Number 1, curated activities for all these senior citizens. For example, if there are 15 or 20 people going, around 70-year-old women going together, there should be activities which they do every day curated to them. Number 2, where they stay is very important. हो सकता है villa हो जहाँ पर you don't have to climb stairs, you don't have to take a lift, so on and so forth. Number 3, there has to be attendant who takes them for the check-ins, check-out, takes them to the hotel, so on and so forth. Number 4, medicals have to be taken care of. There should be an attendance or some standby जो आप उस city में भी tie up कर सकते हो very easily. These are easy things to do, but the marketing is what the game changer is. अब आप यही सोचो कि ये same trip, if a tourism company is selling at 70,000 rupees to a customer like me, I would happily pay 1 lakh rupees if my mom is going and all these things are taken care of and I am not being able to go for the same trip. The best part is that the population in India above the age of 60 is more than 15 crore people. And this is only rising. It's supposed to be 35 crore by 2015. Number 2, there's a huge amount of people in India who are living here as senior citizens, but the kids are actually living abroad. So उनको trip में अपने senior citizen parents को भेजने के लिए this could be a great way. If you're actually thinking about this business and want to know how to start it, check out the link tree on my bio. And the name I suggest for it is The Silver Lining.